In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use reminders in Clickup. Whether you're new to Clickup or looking to optimize your workflow, understanding how to set reminders can be a game changer in managing your tasks more efficiently. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to the Clickup website. If you're not already logged in, click on the login button in the top right corner. Clickup offers several ways to sign in, but one of the most convenient options is using your Google account. Simply select Sign In with Google, pick the account linked to your Clickup workspace, and you'll be taken directly to your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to setting a reminder. Start by navigating to the list view within your workspace. This view neatly organizes all your tasks, making it easy to locate the one you want to focus on. Once you've selected the task, open it to access the task window. Inside the task, look for 3 small dots in the top right corner. This is the options menu. Clicking on it will reveal additional settings. Among these options, find and select Remind Me. A menu will appear with several choices for when you'd like to receive a reminder. Clickup provides convenient preset options like today, later, tomorrow, this weekend, or next week. Choose the one that best fits your needs. For urgent tasks, today ensures you don't forget. For tasks that are important but not immediate, later or tomorrow works perfectly. If you're planning ahead, this weekend or next week can help you stay on top of longer-term goals while keeping your daily tasks in check. Once your reminder is set, Clickup will automatically notify you at the chosen time, ensuring you never miss a task. You can also revisit your tasks and adjust reminders as priorities change, giving you full control over your workflow. Setting up reminders in Clickup is simple, yet incredibly effective for boosting productivity and keeping your tasks organized. Take the time to explore other Clickup features to further customize your experience and make your workflow even more efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more productivity tips. Thanks for watching and happy task managing.